I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8829. This form is essential for self-employed individuals who use a part of their home for business. It allows you to deduct certain expenses related to that space, potentially saving you money on your taxes. We'll cover the key requirements and steps to ensure you correctly claim this deduction. Understanding Form 8829 can significantly impact your tax situation. So let's get started. To qualify for the home office deduction, your workspace must meet two main criteria. First, it must be used exclusively and regularly for your trade or business. This means no personal use of that specific area. Second, it needs to be your principal place of business or a place where you regularly meet clients. This ensures the deduction is for legitimate business use, not just occasional work from home. When calculating your home office expenses, you'll categorize them as either direct or indirect. Direct expenses, like a new desk for your office, are fully deductible. Indirect expenses, such as your electricity bill, are deducted based on the percentage of your home used for business. For example, if your office is 10% of your home, you can deduct 10% of those indirect costs. Accurate record keeping is crucial here. You have two main options for claiming your home office deduction: the simplified method or the regular method. The simplified method is straightforward, allowing a deduction of $5 per square foot, up to a maximum of 300 square feet, which equals $1,500. The regular method involves calculating all your actual expenses using Form 8829. Consider which approach offers you the most significant tax savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.